Today, we're going to be talking about a trading strategy that can help you make quick profits in just 5 seconds. It's our 5-second binary strategy using the stochastic indicator. In the money and a win following this strategy. Our sell lower entry point is when we see a divergence in price and stochastic. When price has made a higher high but stochastic made an equal high or lower high, we enter a 5-second trade lower when stochastic break the 80 line. Our buy higher entry point is when we see a divergence in price and stochastic. When price has made a lower low but stochastic made an equal low or higher low, we enter a 5-second trade higher when stochastic break the 20 line. You can use this strategy to trade stocks, forex, crypto, commodities, and indices. Let's see if we get a buy higher setup. Yes. Make sure you have expiration time set to 5, use line chart, and screen size M10 when you trade the strategy. Candlestick charts look cool, but there's too much noise using candlestick charts or Heikin-Ashi charts. Let's see if we can find some more setups. This has been a no-loss binary strategy so far. Maybe our next trade will be a loss. Here's a buy higher setup, divergence in price and the stochastic indicator. In the money, and 3 wins in a row. You add the stochastic indicator by clicking the indicator button and then stochastic oscillator. You can use default settings in inputs, but inside styles you can unbox K period because you only need D period. Let's see if we can find some more setups. Price is moving lower, but so is stochastic, so this is not a divergent setup. This looks good. Price is moving higher, but stochastic is not making a higher high. And there's our entry point when stochastic breaks the 80 level lower. In the money again. Let's see if we can find more setups. Okay, here's price making lower low, but stochastic is not, so we have a divergence. $192 payout bagged again. And here's one more setup. And that's one more $192 payout. Now let's see if you can spot some setups. I will mark out setups after they are formed, so I want you to spot them before I mark them out. That's one setup. Did you see it? And there's another one. Let me know in the comments if you saw that one. That was a quick one, did you catch it? That would also have been a profitable 5-second binary. Divergence, but stochastic wasn't below 20 on the second low. Come on, give us a setup. Finally, here's a setup forming. And it's a win.